Hey, so I'm back with girl dinner because I literally had no time to cook after work today. I already put together our plate and I wanted to show y'all what I'm having. So this is rice with sardines. Y'all, I ain't never had sardines in my entire life ever. But I've been seeing constantly, like, scrolling and seeing these sardine recipes. So I wanted to give it a try. So I tried it, like I said, sardines with rice. This has a whole crap ton of stuff on top because I just couldn't get with how they look. And be frank with you, I'm one of those. I'm one of those people. I'm a texture person. I'm a looks person. Like, if this doesn't look appealing, she's not going in here, okay? And so I also put some avocado on the side. I've got a boiled egg and I've got some of these little chicken egg rolls. They're like little mini egg rolls. They're really good. In case the sardines turned out to be gross. So I'm gonna pray. Let me pray. Hold on. Thank God, amen. Okay. So we said our prayers. Yeah. I don't know. Thank y'all for sharing this recipe, but let me see how it's gonna hit. I got some backup condiments too because I've seen other people putting the hot sauce on it, and I don't care. It's always Texas Pete till I die. Don't argue with me, argue with your mama, okay? So let's go ahead and get into this taste test. I'm so nervous. I didn't try them regular. I told y'all I couldn't get with how they were looking in a can. And then I did spend time, like, you know, kind of trying to clean them. So let's see. They're good. They're good. It took me a minute. But no, it just tastes like fish. Honestly. I did douse this with lemon. Like I said, I put it with some red onion on top. I put some cilantro. I think I may have put some ginger, pepper, some red pepper flakes. And with the avocado too, it's really, really, really not bad, y'all. I chopped up some red onion. I don't know. Do you guys eat sardines? How do you eat them? What's your favorite way to eat sardines if you're a pro? I'm going to try to, like, incorporate them in my diet. Maybe, like, once a week, once every 2 weeks. Really not bad. If I go in for a second bite, you know it's really not bad. Because I would have been told y'all if it's nasty. So, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my little dinner plate, y'all. Alright. Thank y'all for sharing the recipes. Let me know. Comment down below if you got some more. Bye.